What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called ZRX, also known as OX, a highly requested video. The only reason for that, as you can clearly see, it has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours, 40% up, and also we can see that it was fluctuating around the 70-71 cents mark, and late yesterday it had a major peak in value and it's still ongoing. So what is gonna happen to this crypto? Is it gonna keep going up? Is it gonna drop back down? Is it a good time to invest? Is it too late? Or is it a rug pull, so on and so on? I've seen a lot of comments, a lot of DMs in my Instagram saying to do a price update, looking at whether it's a good investment or not for both short-term and long-term traders. So that's what I'm going to get into today, and giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Is this a good investment? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And again, for this giveaway, there's going to be at least 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So according to Coinbase, ZRX is a top gainer in the last 24 hours. As you can see, is on the top of the list. However, over the last couple of hours, it has started to drop down in value. As you can see, over the last hour, 1% down. Over the last day, of course, 38%. Over the week, 30%. And over the month, a massive 87%. So about a month ago, it was about 56 cents, so nearly doubled in value in just a single month. Going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a huge 3,600%, guys, in the last 24 hours, making it just above $1.5 billion. So that is a huge amount of money that has been traded on this crypto over the last 24 hours. And as you can clearly see, we've got way more sellers than buyers. We've got a 55% sell, so a lot of people are selling it right now, taking out their profits, and we've got minority of the people, which is 45%, buying the crypto and investing into it over the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which is what I usually use to do my technical analysis, but that's not what we're going to start off with, so I'll bring this back later on in the video. So let's hide this and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing ZRX at just about 80 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $1.02, meaning that this gap is quite huge, so it is performing very well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you can see, the blue line and the orange line are both looking bearish, going towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a lower value than what it's worth at the moment. And again, we can see it. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I've always said this. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, just like this one here, it has to come back down. It has to dip down in value, and that is exactly what's going on right now. It is coming back down in value, and it is expected to drop below the $1 mark and potentially go back to about the 90 cents target, or even lower than that very early tomorrow morning. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red candles. We are going to see peaks in between, we are going to see dips, but the overall outcome seems to be once again more on the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? Still looking bullish, still looking bearish. Not bullish, what am I talking about? We've got both the lines looking bearish, going in a negative direction, so more decreases in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect it to again drop down in value, probably to about 80 to 85 cents, depending on how the crypto market performs, and especially how ZRX performs as well. But again, guys, if there are any major updates that can have a potential impact on the value of ZRX, either in a positive or negative way, I'm going to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we're looking a little bit more bullish. Finally, it has taken a U-turn. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the long run. So by late May and mid-June, in between those times, we should expect it to, possibly go above the $1.20, $1.30 target. However, it all depends on how it performs as well, and there will obviously be any updates or news in between that time that can have a potential impact on the value, which again I will let you guys know. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. These are my predictions. For the short term, it's not looking too great. It looks like it is going to drop down in value, but over the long run, it looks like it is going to perform quite well and possibly have a much higher value than what it's worth at the moment. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we have broken out this target here. We are currently resisting at this target level here, which is the $1.04 target. We have been trading in the red zone for most of March, gone into the green zone very late March and April as well, and right now have broken out. So yeah, what we are going to do now is look into what ZRX is likely to do as well. But before I get into that, if any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you guys need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is limited to the first 100 people that join. After that, it will go back up to $29.99. And again, for those of you who sign up at $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member and never go up to $29.99. And again, just to make it clear, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor, so we only make smart moves and hold on to for the long run. And those of you who did invest into several cryptos a couple of days ago, which I did mention in the group chat, you're probably on a very, very good profit right now, 30%, 35% up minimum. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or any queries regarding this before you sign up, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And again, this is not a get rich quick scheme, so if that's what you're looking for, don't join it, because that's not what it is. So as you can see, as I mentioned earlier, we are resisting at this line here, and as I mentioned, we are likely to drop down in value because again, I'm not expecting it to drop below the 70 cents target, because that will be breaking out at this target here. What I'm expecting it is fluctuating between the green zone, so between the $1.04 and the 70 cents target, like it has been since about very late March, and about 3 weeks later we are still in the green zone. So more and more likely we are going to fluctuate in this target here, and potentially in mid-May to late May we will break out and fluctuate in between this target here, which is the $1.04 and $1.31. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subscribers as soon as possible. Any questions, any queries, send me a DM or leave a comment down below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, liking my videos, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. So thank you guys so much for that, especially all the subscribers out there. A huge shout out and a huge thank you to you guys, and I appreciate each and every single subscriber. And yeah, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow or today even, sorry. Until then, take care and peace.